In the last 15 years, ebooks have become a major part of the publishing world. And if you're planning to publish a book, you should definitely try and publish as an ebook. Let's find out why. Unlike print books, ebooks don't require printing or shipping. This means fewer upfront costs for you as an author. It's especially useful if you're self-publishing and working with a tight budget. And since ebooks are cheaper to produce, you can price them lower and make them more attractive to readers while also earning a good royalty. Printing and shipping a physical copy of a book might take a couple of weeks, but if you're publishing an ebook, it can reach your readers in just a few days. It's quick, low cost, and perfect for authors who want to get their work out without any delay. One of the best parts about an ebook is how easily it can be distributed. Once published, it can be made available worldwide. Readers can purchase and download it immediately. No waiting for shipping or taking trips to the bookstore. And it's also extremely convenient for readers because if they're reading on their phones or their laptops, their book can travel with them all day long. And if you've made a mistake or you want to add another chapter, you can easily revise and re-upload the file without having to print anything again. This makes ebooks ideal for content that might require regular updates, like how-to guides, academic resources, and even memoirs. Ebooks might not give you the same feel that an actual physical copy of a book can give you, but they're practical, portable, and packed with opportunities for both authors and readers. Do you have any more questions? Check out our other videos to stay updated about all things publishing. And you can also click on the link in the description to talk to one of our publishing consultants who will help clear all your doubts. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon for more updates. Happy publishing!